What's the meaning of cirque? Cirque. Cirque.
Cirque. Cirque. A cirque is a bowl-shaped depression carved into a mountain or glacier by erosion. It is typically formed by the movement of glaciers or melting snow and ice, and can be found in high-altitude regions around the world. The steep walls of a cirque often form the shape of an amphitheater, with a flat bottom that may contain a lake or other body of water. These unique formations are popular destinations for hiking and mountaineering, as well as scientific study of glacial processes and the environment.